In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sidra to MetaMask. First, open MetaMask on your iPhone, Android device, or browser extension. If you're using a mobile device, look for the MetaMask app icon. It typically features a fox logo. On a browser, you'll find the extension icon in the upper right corner. Once you click or tap it, you will see your wallet interface. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all subsequent actions. You want to ensure that you are logged in and ready to make adjustments to your network settings. Next, tap or click the network selector at the top of MetaMask. This is usually displayed as a drop-down showing your current network, like Ethereum mainnet. By selecting the network, you can switch to other available options or add new ones. This action is important because connecting to the correct network is essential for proper transactions and interactions with various platforms. It ensures that your wallet is compatible with Sidra Chain where you will be working. Now select Add Network. This option allows you to introduce a new blockchain network to your MetaMask wallet. It opens a form where you can enter the necessary details for the Sidra Chain. Adding a new network is a straightforward process, but it's vital to input the correct information. Otherwise, you might face connectivity issues later on. Enter the Sidra Chain network details. For network name, input Sidra Chain. In the RPC URL field, enter https://node.sidrachain.com/ For chain ID, use 97453. Next, in the currency symbol field, type SDA. Finally, input https://ledger.sidrachain.com/ in the Block Explorer URL. This step is essential because it directly connects your wallet to the Sidra chain, allowing you to interact with its features. Make sure each detail is accurate to avoid any disruptions later. Tap Save to add the network to MetaMask. This action finalizes the process of integrating the Sidra chain into your MetaMask wallet. Once saved, you will receive a confirmation that the new network has been successfully added. This step is reassuring because it confirms that you can now switch to Sidra Chain whenever needed. Next, switch your wallet to the Sidra Chain network from the network menu. To do this, simply click or tap on the network selector again and choose Sidra Chain from the list. This action allows you to start using the specific features and benefits of the Sidra chain. It's crucial to be on the correct network when interacting with Sidra to ensure all transactions are processed properly. Open the Sidra platform and sign into your account. This is where you will begin interacting with the Sidra chain using your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Signing in is straightforward, and once completed, you will have access to your Sidra account features. This connection is vital because it allows your wallet to interact seamlessly with the Sidra platform. Go to the Wallet section and tap Connect Your Personal Wallet. This option initiates the process of linking your MetaMask wallet to your Sidra account. It is a crucial step because it enables you to manage your SDA tokens and perform transactions directly from Sidra. Once you tap this option, your MetaMask wallet will prompt you to approve the connection request. Approve the connection request in MetaMask. This step is essential as it confirms that you want to link your wallet to Sidra. A notification will appear in MetaMask asking for your approval. Confirming this request ensures that your wallet is securely connected. Once approved, your MetaMask wallet will be linked to Sidra, allowing you to operate smoothly within the platform. If your SDA tokens do not appear automatically, you may need to import the token manually. This step is critical for ensuring that all your tokens are visible and accessible within Sidra. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, importing tokens is a standard procedure that can be easily completed. Important: never enter your MetaMask secret recovery phrase into the Sidra website or any form claiming to verify or sync your wallet. Legitimate wallet connections only require you to approve the connection inside MetaMask. Protecting your recovery phrase is essential for maintaining the security of your wallet.